Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a product demonstration for Nail Reserve. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. Polygel surpasses acrylic in flexibility. It outperforms hard gel in strength and weighs lighter than both, making it a genuine fusion of the two nail enhancement methods. This shade is a light pink with cold undertones. For application, you first need to prep your nails. I've already done that, and I did put a peel off base coat, so I won't be needing a base coat application. But after you do that, you apply a bead of polygel in the middle of the nail, and with a brush that has been dipped into isopropyl alcohol, or in my case I have a slip solution, I work the polygel into the nail to create any form that I want. And today I'm going to be doing a square. When the result is the one you want to achieve, you can cure your polygel, file and shape your nail and buff it, clean the dust, and then of course you can apply anything on top of it as you please. And so as long as everybody has their own time frame of how they put the polygel under a lamp for to cure. Just for my own sanity, I probably do like a minute and a half. It really doesn't specify, but it's up to you, especially if it's like a thicker nail. You want to put more time under it. But at that same instance, if you are making a thicker nail, just do more layers as opposed to one thick one, because that will take longer to cure, but at the same time of it, it might not even cure all the way, and you never want to have uncured gel or polygel, any kind of chemical product uncured, because that can totally seep into your skin, and you can form an allergic reaction over time. So also, if the polygel is a dark color as well, be mindful of that. Rather do thinner layers and then build over it. So I'm just doing a simple square shape, and I think it's kind of classic. I love this color. I'm going to end up doing a French tip with it. I am a new affiliate with Nail Reserve, so if you'd like any of the products that you see here in this video today, go ahead into my description box and please use my affiliate link. It'll definitely help me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. And as a thank you, also use my 50% off discount code IsmsByJBM, also found in the description box below. It can be applied for a minimum of 2 products, except bundles, and please be advised that it won't work when they have automatic promotions on their website. I also want to note that Nail Reserve products are vegan, animal cruelty free, some with 21 free formula, others with 9 free formula, which means the 21 or 9 highest chemicals found in polishes are not there, and then they are healthy, green, and long-lasting formula. I absolutely love polygel. I think I would be doing it more so, at least I've been wanting to do it more so, but I'm kind of restricted to not putting things on my nails today. But as you see, I am biting the bullet, and I am putting this on my natural nails. Hopefully just this short term won't be too bad with the after effects. Nothing that, too terrible. I just want to stay as chemical free as I possibly can be, but clearly I am cheating that today. I do have a peel off base coat, so I can pop these off right after. But I am loving it, and I am missing the polygel scene. I mean, what a way to come back after a long while of not doing any extensions, because it would have really sucked if this stuff wasn't that great and then I just came back from not having my nails done at all for I don't know how many months now. It might be nearing a year, to be honest. But yeah, this polygel is really great. It's not sticky at all. It's nice, and it's not too firm. But at the same time, like, I do find, for some reason, I find these light pinks to be perfect. I don't know if it's just the color, but it just seems like the consistency is always great. It's like whatever light pink is out there, it just seems to be really nice. So I really think that what we have here that I'm using is so nice, and I cannot wait till I can get back to doing my nails again, because I'll for sure be using this to do an extension. So the great thing about Polygel, if you have not tried it yet, is that you have ample playtime. So as you see here, we've been going about like 5 minutes, and this is all in real time, and I'm just doing this to where in my mind I want the less amount of filing possible. I don't know about you guys out there, but I like filing. I just sometimes don't like filing, if that makes any sense. So my first time back, I'm doing one nail. I really don't want to spend a year and a day filing, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that everything is perfect with this nail that I'm doing. I made myself a little bubble in the nail, and I'm just taking it out now. Obviously that wasn't intended. But that's the beauty of Polygel. Any kind of flaws and mistakes that you see, you can play around with it until it's super perfect. And once you cure it, you can have a fun time filing or lack thereof. So I highly suggest using Polygel to start with. If you're kind of iffy about acrylics, definitely iffy about hard gels, this would definitely be a great idea or item to have. So after I filed my nail, and I did do a French off camera because I don't have the white in Nail Reserve, but I'm using their no wipe top coat. This top coat is long lasting and can last up to 4 to 5 weeks without smudging or losing its high gloss, and there's a groundbreaking formula for long lasting shine. It's always vegan and cruelty free. This one is 21 free formula, which means that the 21 highest chemicals usually present in gel polish is not there. It cures after 30 to 45 seconds under LED light, or after 1 to 2 minutes under UV light. It's the ultimate color defense. It protects against abrasion, has a mirror shine finish, and it's highly durable. After this is cured, I am going to use their coconut cuticle oil. It's a tropical treat for my nails. It's infused with nourishing coconut oil. It softens cuticles and strengthens the nails. And it has a luscious scent and silky texture. You're going to want to shake this really well before application and dispense a small drop of cuticle oil onto each nail, and gently massage the oil into your cuticles and nails in circular motions, allowing the oil to absorb for a few minutes for maximum hydration. For our best results, apply this daily, especially before bedtime, and you'll enjoy a softer, healthier cuticles and stronger nails with regular use. So this is the end result, you guys. My beautiful French tip polygel nail. Again, I am an affiliate with Nail Reserve, so if you like any of the items you see here today, go ahead in my description box and click on my affiliate link. It'll help me out, and I greatly appreciate your support, along with my 50% discount code IsmsByJBM. It can be applied for a minimum of 2 products except bundles, and please be advised that it will not work when they have automatic promotions on the website. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time.